KTS instructions. Open and close in multi-user version. Both, to open and close, approach the user card one time. Open and close in single user mode. To open, approach the user card one time. The lock will automatically close after 2 seconds. Create and delete user cards only in single user mode. Both to create and delete. Approach the master card one time, followed by the user cards. Up to 50 user cards per lock. Open with the master. Approach the master keyring 4 times. Inspection mode. Approach the master 2 times. The lock will automatically close after 2 seconds. Assign master keyring. Press the internal button until hearing the bips. Then approach the keyrings. Maximum 2 master keyrings per lock.